Hello, welcome to the Mark Janad Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about GPT-6. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Man, guys, it seems like every time I blink, there's another GPT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean,
hey, yo, what the
golly, are they just coming up with new ways to just put another number on a GPT? We can't even, like, they're trying to drive us mad with this GPT stuff, man. Like, why do you think that they're constantly trying to just like, it's like every second. So let's talk about GPT-6. So in particular, it kind of represents a significant evolution, introducing capabilities such as music generation. And maybe that's probably the reasons why they're doing all these GPTs. Maybe it's like more focused on sectors. Like maybe GPT-6 is more music sector and other GPTs are other industry sectors. Please let me know if you agree or if you disagree with me in the comment section down below. So again, this feature, while perhaps unexpected, opens up new horizons for creative applications of AI, from composing music to generating entirely new art forms. You know what I'm saying? So you guys get your Beethoven on. Beethoven. Furthermore, the inclusion of AI agents capable of operating in simulated environments for testing purposes showcases OpenAI's commitment to developing AI systems that can understand and interact with the world in increasing sophisticated ways. So before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. There may be ethical and societal implications with the GPT-6, and let's talk about it right now. So the strategic and gradual release of these technologies reflects a consensus approach to AI deployment. So they are allowing society, right, to adapt and influence the development trajectory of AI. And we all know that society, y'all can be a little loony out here. So I don't think we want loony people influencing AI. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding. So OpenAI aims to mitigate potential negative impacts while maximizing the benefits. However, this approach also raises important questions about the pace of innovation, because again, GPT 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, golly, next week, how about y'all want to bet next week is going to be a GPT 8, 9, 10? How about y'all want to bet that? So the potential for unforeseen consequences and the ethical responsibilities of AI developers and users. So here is another key, you know what I'm saying? Because we know that when there's money involved and there's certain things involved in certain industries, copyright and trademarks play a role. So this poses the question in regards to roles of trademarks in AI development. So the analysis of trademark information as a window into the future of AI highlights an often overlooked aspect of technological advancement. Trademarks not only protect intellectual property, but also signal the directions in which companies are investing their resources and envisioning the future. Okay, for observers and stakeholders in the AI field, these legal filings offer valuable insights into the strategic priorities and development milestones of leading AI organizations. Could you imagine you make a song, whatever, use GPT-6 to compose or whatever the case may be, all of a sudden you release it on some kind of music platform, whatever the case may be, and you just get that knock on the door, boom, 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 you are sued, sir. You are sued. So let's talk about the conclusion. So as we stand on the brink of significant advancements in AI embodied by the development of GPT-6 and beyond, it is important for us, right, society, businesses, and individuals to engage in these technologies, really AI, thoughtfully and ethically, especially when it comes to music. The iterative deployment strategy adopted by OpenAI serves as a model for responsible innovation, emphasizing the importance of adaptation, feedback, and inclusive dialogue in shaping the future of AI. All right, because I don't want y'all to be out here wilding on folks. You know what I'm saying? Out here wilding on folks. What song would you guys use GPT-6 to compose? Huh? You know what I'm saying? With all these tunes nowadays, what would y'all do? Let me know in the comment section below. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and also hit that share button. Also hit that notification bell so you know when I release videos, so I don't have to be hawking you. Okay? I appreciate your viewership. I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.